Gold and silver both traded bearish yesterday. In the morning analysis for gold and silver, we had asked you to remain short at 1808 and 2390 levels, and you can expect a drop. I hope you all profited with the drop. Now, what to expect today? Before I come up with my next analysis, just 12 hours from now, which position you should take, we'll see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon in order to keep yourself updated with the latest analysis. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the levels. Look at the hourly charts. Appears there is a wall at 1810. Very clear. Previously, when it was trading above, this acted as a support. When it was trading below, this acted as a resistance. This indicates 1810 levels certainly are going to be a good resistance. If any candle closes above 1810 and then the next candle opens above 1810 itself, you can expect that the chances of it achieving 1815 are high, and beyond that 1815, 1820. If it breaks past 1820, further bullishness can be expected. So firstly, it has to break past 1815, which is going to be a very good resistance. Now on the downside, you can see multiple lines getting cluttered here. 1805, also you can see multiple candles getting the support here from 1803 levels, and hence once it draws below 1803, you can expect little more drop. 1800 is also very good support, and then 1797 and 1794 levels will be seen. Every $3 on the downside, there is a support. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish, it is crossed over, it is divergent, indicating strength. RSI trading with a slightly bullish bias. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, 3 green candles, bullish slope, but then probably one candle might appear which can give it a negative, which can give it a red candle, and then it may trade below 1800. There is a possibility for it too. Directional movement bullish, stochastic near looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for the buy entry here. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the formation, taking the support here, trying to rise. Now here at 1805, 1803 zone, it has got very good support, and on the upside 1810 giving it a resistance. See, first thing is rise, retracement, sharp red candles on the upside, downside, and stronger tails on the downside on these two candles indicate there could be a possibility for it to retrace back. So it is trying to start on its own channel. So first, then retracement. Now again trying to trade bullish. So I'll wait for it to trade above 1815 for it to confirm the bullishness. Then 1820, 1824, and then 1836.50 levels should be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upward. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross. RSI trading flat, and on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, nothing different. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is looking upwards. Similar is the observation here. Now the most important one, the daily charts, you can see the momentum, the moves are small, diminishing here. You can see rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Yes, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. That is very clear. It is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. At the same time, it appears that there could be a, you can say, high point from where it may start to curve down a little on the daily charts, and hence one need to wait for it to break past any of these levels, that is 1780 specifically. Below that, certainly more bearishness can be expected. At the same time, if it breaks above on the upside 1836, yes, you can expect 1850, 1880, 1900 levels also. Possibility is there. See, the directional movement here is bullish, stochastic flat. MACD is on the sell side right now, but trading with a very minor negative slope. RSI is also trading with a slightly negative slope, and the volumes are smaller here. Considering this for the day, yes, you can sell at 1803, buy at 1813. And those who wants to take or risk a little can sell at 1805 and buy at 1810. Below, above 1810, the next target is 1815 and beyond 1815 you can expect 1820, 1824 and 1836.50 levels. In fact, in between 1845 is also next pit stop. On the downside you can sell and then expect 1800 levels, very good support, then 1797, 94, 95 zone. This is a very strong support zone. Below that 1790, 84 levels to be seen. Till the time it trades above 1780, there is going to be a little bullishness in gold, and hence you have to trade with caution on the downside, as it may bounce back, it can reverse again. Hence till 1780 we need to trade with caution. Yes, whenever you are taking a sell entry, you have to shift your stop loss to your entry price. Whenever you see in profit, $2 is an ideal gap there, or put a trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start on 9th of January. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can write down a mail to me. You can put a text to me on Telegram on the mentioned IDs only, which are there in the channel and video description. Now, silver's hourly charts, you can see that there is a very good support which is seen at 2350 levels, and on the downside 2340 are the next support levels. Now see 2350, 2340, 2350, it is creating higher lows on the hourly charts. At the same time, double top is done here. So rise, retracement, double top, retracement and higher lows. So this appears it is trying to squeeze a bit, and till the time it trades about 2340, possibility for it to trade in this zone exists. Now if you look at the hourly chart, this is trying to rise with the support at this zone. It is trying to create a symmetry 2365.70. Now beyond 2370, yes, you can initiate a buy entry. Next target 2380, 2390, 2390, definitely very good resistance there. Beyond that, it is again going to fly past $24 levels. Directional movement trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD has crossed over here, and this is a green candle. This is trading with divergence. This can continue to trade bullish from here. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, now look at the 2-hour charts, 2350, 2354, 55. Yes, this has created a support. You can see multiple candles getting the support here at 2350, 55 zone, and it is trying to reverse. So once it trades beyond 2370, certainly more bullishness can be expected here. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to rise from here. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge. RSI is also looking upwards, showing little strength. Now look at the 2-hour, rather 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this is clear that this is a retracement. See the slope here, sharp slope, and then a retracement. And when I say retracement, 2370 levels certainly going to be a good resistance. So why I say retracement? See, it has to, if the slope could have been sharper, steeper, then probably that could be a considered as a reversal. However, right now it will try to trade here bullish, achieve at max 2380, and then from there a sharper drop can be expected, which might again bring it till towards 2340, 50 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold, and that is why we are looking at little rise. The MACD is trying to converge here. It is in sell. RSI is also looking upward, showing little strength. And look at the 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour chart, certainly it is showing a reversal here, but I'll wait for the next candle. When the next candle tries to trade bullish, probably that time you can expect we can see 2380 and then 2390, $24 levels again. So possibly by that time the chances of it trading at around 2370 levels exist. So that should be a good buying entry. At the same time, only sell entries below 2350 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold, trying to rise from here. The MACD is bearish, divergent. It has seen the peak. Probably it may start to converge crossover from here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trying to look upwards. Look at the daily charts now. Now on the daily chart, see this? Higher lows are seen here. Now flat top is seen here. So this is trying to, you can say, be a narrowing triangle. And if it continues to rise bullish from here, Yes, 23.80, $24 levels are going to be very strong resistance. At the same time, trading below 23.50, you can expect little more drop, where 23.40 is the first support level, and then below that a sharper drop can be seen. Right now, it is trying to trade with 20 period moving average as a support. Here you can clearly see this. This is the 20 period moving average. At the same time, it appears to be forming a cusp here. So when I say forming a cusp, the chances for it to break down also exist until and unless if it breaks past 24.50 levels. Only if it breaks past 24.50, you can expect that it is trying to trade further bullish from here. Else it is formed a cusp, and a breakdown from here is certainly going to be a sharper one. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD has taken a bearish cross. This is divergent. This is indicating little bearishness, and this crossover is happening at a high. So see this. Now this is a narrowing move, and possibly once it breaks below this, you can expect a sharper drop, which might take silver into sell territory again. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell silver today at 23.50, buy at 23.70 for these 20 cents. Do not trade on the upside. 23.80 nearest resistance, then till 24.10, and then 24.30. It has got very good resistance, and it can reverse any point of time. Markets are neither yours nor mine. It can give you very good swing, and it can go to both levels, the buy entry and the sell entry. Initially it may try to trade bullish and then later on drop from there till 24, 24.10, 24.30. It can probably reverse any point of time, and hence you need to trade with a trailing stop loss, or at best keep booking profits at the every milestone. 10 cents is also a good move. You can book at 10 cents, re-enter, book at 10 cents, re-enter. On the downside, below 23.40 only, you can expect a little more bearishness, taking it till towards 23.20, $23 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.